This is the part I've been waiting for.
Oh, no.
I don't get it, Cleo. You keep drooling over a flower picture when I can give you the real thing.
Shoot! You always hand me wings, but Renfield paints me pictures.
Renfield again? Just 'cause that stupid cat throws paint blobs on a scrap of paper, you think he's some hotshot artist.
Renfield knows all about painting, dance, music, poetry.
I know poetry, too. Wordsworth, tell Cleo some of the poetry I know.
There was an old cat from Des Moines who put fleas in his sister's... Woo!
That wasn't quite what I had in mind.
Renfield. Well,
Hey, Riff Raff, how come we're lugging around this hunk of junk?
this happens to be a statue of Cleo that I made.
Was she in an accident, boss?
No, stupid. It's to show her I got class. My statue! It's ruined!
It was très blasé anyway, dear boy.
Huh?
He means it stunk.
Allow me to introduce myself. I am Renfield. Sorry, I just remembered I don't shake with peasants.
Too bad, 'cause a good shake is just what you need.
Stop that, you uncultured swine!
Enough!
Yuck! How garish! If you really must prove your bravery, I know a more civilized way.
Oh, you do?
See if you can win dainty Cleo's hands with brain, not brawn. I dare you to test your wits by spending the night at Farthing Hall.
Farthing Hall?
That place is haunted.
Yeah, and it's got ghosts, too.
Good boy!
I'll understand if you're chicken, Riff Raff. But will Cleo?
Cleo won't care, will you, honey?
Humph!
All right, I'll go. Then you'll see how brave I really am.
Oh, Farthing Hall at night sure gives me a fright.
Are you really gonna go there, boss?
Sure we are. Yep, and I want those ghosts to know we're coming. So get to work and make me some good phantom fighting gear.
Our phantom fighters are ready, Riff Raff.
Good. I was getting tired. Now, let's get a move on to Farthing Hall.
Sure is dark in there.
You'll feel better once I light a fire.
Yes, I've been.
What was that?
Quick, everybody, join hands. I've got Hector's hand.
I'm holding on to Wordsworth.
Unless I'm Rongo, I've got Mungo.
Then who's holding my other hand? Whoa!
Hey, Mungo's gone. And so are we. We're not leaving without Mungo. Come on, boys. We'll look up here first.
Get a load of this posh pad.
Mungo's not in here.
Baby, I'll dance a country mile so I can see your little smile. Let me out of here!
Get away from me, you overgrown mosquito! Oh, no! Abandoned ship! This way, boys!
It's the guys. Here I am, fellas!
Run! It's a ghost!
Ah, a ghost! Wait for me!
Man, you phantom fighters.
Ah!
Come back, sweetie. Over here, handsome.
Ouch! Back the hand!
Wait for me, fellas!
The swamp beast. Mungo?
We sure scared off that swamp beast, huh?
I'm fit to split!
Yeah!
Let's split!
I'm scared!
Scaredy cat, scaredy cat.
No, we're staying till we stop those ghosts. That bear's stuffed. Let's check this out.
Norman, old bee, disguising yourself as a demon was a stroke of genius.
Yes, Wormwood. Those silly cats will never guess we were acting.
It's so theatrical. But the fat cat was cute.
Really? We're here to perfect our film acting, not chase fans.
The fat cat isn't as cute as me, is he?
George!
Would you like my autograph?
No, Bat Breath. Just some answers.
We're horror film stars who never dreamed we'd get to frighten such a great bunch of scaredy cats.
But we did. Terribly sorry for the trouble we've caused.
We'll do anything to make it up.
Can you perform that horror junk anywhere, save for me?
No problem. We're all very talented, especially moi.
Good. Then here's the plan. Hector, you tell Cleo you're the only one who can...
Cleo, I've got terrible news.
What is it?
I was the only one who escaped from Farthing Hall.
Oh, no.
I put up a good fight. Riff's last words were, Hector, you're the bravest, handsomest cat that ever...
Last words. You mean Riff Raff's?
Don't cry over that slow, Cleo. Easy come, easy go. Come with me, my little goddess of rapture. I'll make you forget.
But I want Riff Raff.
You're mine at last. It's useless to resist the power of my charm.
Oh, Renfield, mellow out.
Yoo-hoo, Rust Bucket.
Ah!
Riff Raff is heavier than I thought.
Reel him back, Jack, for his final attack.
Quit sleeping on the job, guys. Wordsworth, you and Mungo get ready for the big finale. Kiss me quick. Ah!
Whoa!
Boo, I think.
Mungo's too fat.
Come on, everybody, pull!
Whee!
So long, Toots. You're on your own.
Yeah, look at him go, boss.
Don't cry, Cleo. Me and the boys aren't through yet.
You're not?
No, a cat has 9 lives, and we only used up one of them. Now don't peek. Back, Mungo!
No, stop!
Mungo, you drip! Surprise!
Oh, Riff Raff, you're alive.
Do you think Riff Raff would like to join us for an after-performance celebration?
Sorry, but the boss has some celebrating plans of his own.
Don't go away. I may need your help.